Take it. It's really good. Now? It tastes like a big dick.
I wouldn't go that far, but it's good. Better be open bar, eh? All right, so I'm at Toronto Airport on my way to Argentina. It's a long trip though. I'm going to stop in Dominican for a bit and then fly. So total 13 hours. It's a long one, but see you when we get there. All right, just got to the Dominican. Have to go through, catch a connecting flight. So we gotta catch another flight to Argentina, and that's a long one, 8 hours. Already done through 4 hours, now I gotta do another 8. All right, change of plans. My connecting flight is already left, so looks like I'm staying in Dominican for a couple of days. Next plane's on Friday. All right, so they're gonna be hotel and money, but yeah. I already booked my Airbnb, so yeah, DJI. I already booked my Airbnb, so they better give me some money for that. I didn't expect to come to the Dominican stay, you know what I'm saying? All right, all these people standing here, they also missed their flight to Argentina, so it's like waiting here for like 45 minutes now to talk to the supervisor about their credit or. Well, I heard they're gonna put us in a hotel, luggage to the hotel, and maybe some credit. But who want another Aerojet? Aerojet's the airline, by the way. But who'd want another Aerojet credit after this fiasco? You know what I'm saying? Fuck, I already booked my Airbnb in Argentina. I'm not gonna be there now. All right, so I'm here with everybody else who got shafted. You know, the plane took off. We missed our flight. A couple of them. Looks like we're getting a shuttle to the hotel right now. This is Santo Domingo Airport. All right, this was kind of unexpected. I didn't expect to spend a night or two in Santo Domingo. Plane doesn't leave till 2 days from now. So today's Tuesday, and doesn't leave till Thursday. All right.
COVID quarantine hotel.
Oh yeah.
For all the people that got sick.
Oh wow.
Well,
Better be open bar, eh?
let us pray.
This is not an all-inclusive. No, apparently we got to pay for everything at this place.
Yeah, they did say that the meals, or at least that's what the last gentleman said, all the meals are included, and the next flight's Thursday or afternoon, and they'll bus us back.
Get any compensation?
You must, man. Because
Compensation?
Yeah.
what?
Like,
What about the people who pay for the hotels?
No,
Like, you know what I'm
No
saying?
compensation?
I don't know. I don't think so.
that one you're gonna have to fight, but they didn't say anything about that.
I
But,
asked to speak for a manager and I didn't get one.
yeah.
Exactly. All right, we just got to the hotel. Maybe about a 15-minute drive. Nova's Plaza Hotel, somewhere in Santo Domingo. All right, let's go in and see what's going on. All right, gracias, homie. All right, gracias.
We're here for the presidential suite.
All right, so like in my hotel room 310. And this is where I am for the next couple of days because they're not giving compensation. You know what I mean? It's just hotel for a couple of nights and another flight out. Like this is Aerojet. Don't book Aerojet, man. I'm telling you. Yeah, you get what you pay for, but don't book it. All right. Floor 3. This is it. Safe. The 2 beds. Yo, I didn't expect this, man. I'm supposed to be on the plane to Argentina right now, but they fucking plane left us. They didn't wait. So now I'm stuck in Santo Domingo for 2 days. But, you know, everybody else, the whole clique was on a plane I was in the bus with. They're all cool, man. You know, they want to go out for drinks. Let's see what's going on tonight. All right, with the group. Walking around downtown Santo Domingo. So this whole group you see me with here is everyone who got stranded on the flight. Like our connecting flight left us. Santo Domingo.
Okay, so I'm really not this one. It was missing. Argentina is different. Now I get suppose
All right, so we're walking some pesos, right?
$1 US 58.
Yeah.
So when I actually tapped this shit
Yeah.
on my card, it said, "Do you want to pay in Canadian or do you want to pay in Dominican?"
Oh, okay.
This is $8.
Okay, okay.
7.55 Canadian.
Yeah.
I didn't realize there's actually quite a scene here.
Me either. I'm surprised.
Some of these girls are fucking hot too.
Oh, trust me.
Oh, I got this. Mira, Messi. People think I look like Messi.
Messi? See, you're a little tall. You're tall, yeah.
No, everyone.
Even Argentina, they think you look like Messi?
Everyone, they're like, dude, I feel lots of girls in Argentina.
Oh, shit.
You look like Messi and I've got like a fetish for him. Like, what?
Oh, yeah?
I'll benefit from that.
Of course.
It's the restaurant that we're eligible for, nobody's at.
This is the restaurant? It seems fancy.
I'd like some Grey Poupon, please.
Grey Poupon, eh? Some escargot. Gotta go.
I feel like I need to go.
yeah.
I'm sure they were
Soy Sí,
Look, there's Robert.
Robert?
That's Robert from the hotel.
I don't know. We can. I don't know.
They're gonna join the tables? All right, we're just looking for a table right now. We're like, I don't know, about 8 of us. So it looks like it's all right. Remember, this is complimentary because the airline fucked up, right? Okay, so they're joining it up for us. All right, gracias.
This seems like super high end.
We haven't seen the whole. You're right. We need to see a
Well, that's it. Just 2 pages.
So the one
Alright.
thing that the lady said is that the swimming beach is not by us.
No, it's on the
Swimming beach is
Punta Cana
20
side, right?
minutes away.
Yeah.
That's how far? 20 minutes. It's about and they have
Well, when I got it, yeah.
It's $45.
That's the special.
in Argentina, right?
Yeah, the fifth district.
They'll like just do the whole canal. Asado, yeah.
More job.
And lunch is here.
We got the ensalada.
Oh, they give salad. Do you know if lunch is
Went through the security thing, everything's fine. They're yelling like Argentina. I was like, oh, I'm going to Argentina. They're like, yeah, go on through. I'm like, perfect. Nice. Going through, I go up. Nobody's waiting for the flight. Nobody's calling any fucking flight numbers. Plane is there. There's like literally nobody there. So I'm like, all right, I look at the time, they're like 5:55 on schedule. I see 6 minutes, and there's like a little person like, oh, cool, 6 minutes to boarding. Sweet. Go take a piss, whatever, come back. And then I'm like, what the fuck, there's nobody here? So I go up to the gate, and she's like, oh, like, dude, like, they're closing the gates now. It's like,
And then he said I came from Toronto because he didn't want to feel like he was fucked up.
Yeah, well, because I was like, fuck, I realized, like, and so then, like, she's like, trying to do her thing, she's like, no, like, dude, the
You literally
doors are
saw the
closed.
plane take off in front of him.
No, yeah, I see the plane backing away, and she's like, yeah, sorry, the doors are closed. And I was like, whoa, what the fuck? Like, how? Like, what? It's like, and I looked at my phone, and it's saying, like, it's like 4:50, and I was like, this isn't fucking possible.
Because it's
And then,
So is this
and
the
yeah, and so
here?
then finally my phone
This
connects
is-
to the
yeah,
Wi-Fi,
in
and the time
Santo
changes, and I
Domingo.
realize,
probably.
and I'm like,
Yeah, it's
I'm
1
a
hour
fucking
between.
moron.
And then he sent a message.
Oh, so you could have actually gone on the plane, but you didn't?
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, shit.
He could have crawled.
I think if
You could've stopped
if
at 4
I
hours.
Yeah, you
didn't
could've
go
just
for a
like,
ticket,
Yeah, you would have gone on the plane.
yeah,
This guy downloaded the same bot that I did, and the bot said, "Are you fucking stupid? You missed the flight." Like seriously, I had 4 hours to get there.
okay, first of all, don't make me feel so bad.
I don't know.
You fucking like burst around.
Oh, yeah, you guys won the Stanley Cup better. Yeah, you guys won the Stanley Cup more
We were in
recently.
the finals 2 years ago.
Yeah, you're right.
Sounds like Montreal's ass.
Big time.
That was- that's
But
not-
anyways, but just as a Montrealer, it's my duty.
I like
And it's like my, like it's like a code. Like you have to hate someone.
Like, I like
have
it.
The shit.
It's like my thing. Oh yeah, I know.
Still waiting for the food.
I respect.
Just here to have conversations with the gang or whatever. The gang just met up. It's all good. What's that, linguine? Yes, gracias. All right, so we're all done. Had to wait long for food, but it was good. I can't. I had what? Linguine with Thai curry, ginger. It was all right. So now we're just gonna walk. It's a nice night out here. We're gonna see what's going on. They're gonna wash them. Daniel. Yeah, I know. This is nice.
Dude,
This is-
Aaron hooked it up.
Oh yeah.
Like, let's be real.
Oh, for real.
Aaron's fucking chill.
How'd you get all the way over there? Is it?
that our pool?
She said.
Not ours,
But it
there's
could be.
Aqua.
Well,
Kind of stunning.
let me check out this pool you're talking about.
Hopefully we can get like a little salary as well.
Well, I don't think they're gonna refund anything subsequent to tonight.
Well, I don't know how also booked until tomorrow night.
This is a library.
I don't know. This is. You guys take me on a tour. It's nice though. Exactly.
Something. I'm like, I have no idea what you're saying.
I just said you want 2 fucking cervezas. ¿Cuántos por cerveza? ¿Cuántos? That's-
¿A cómo la cerveza? 2,300. A 300 cada uno.
What'd you say? $3? $300?
That seems little.
300?
Here was thinking 3,000.
All right, respect.
And 300. I don't drink.
You drink. Get the fuck out of here.
All right, get the mama Juana then.
Thank you, brother.
You're like trying to remember the receipts.
I don't remember now.
I wasn't there.
Mama Juana, yo, those are the biggest shots I've ever seen in my life.
That's what they all say.
That's me. You passing it to me? All right. That's what you want to do?
Peanut?
Who?
Gracias.
No, you can get one. You're good. All right.
Take it. It's really good.
Now me? What were you?
Oh shit! You had me on that. It's good though. It's good.
One more for you. It tastes like a big dick.
I wouldn't go that far, but it's good.
I just speaking from experience.
All right. Sorry, I'm sorry, but it's all good. Yeah.
Hold on. Bring your shot back. You're speaking a killer.
Cheers, guys.
All right.
Cheers. Salud.
Salud.
Salute Aerojet. I couldn't translate it nice to. What?
I say we take them back to my room. We show them some Canadian hospitality.
And you're
Yeah, but you're paying with your card, right? They're gonna want cash.
I got cash.
Oh, you got cash? Okay. You guys take US?
Yeah.
US dinero? Dinero Estados Unidos? Yeah, dinero
Don't we
Estados
wanna fuck
Unidos.
them?
Yeah. I don't know. I just got here, man.
She told me it was down.
Yeah.
All right, let's go there.
We can go there.
We'll ditch the hookers because nobody likes them.
Well, almost nobody.
If we go to the nightclub, I'll pay for everything.
And you don't have to pay for everything.
Why not? I got money.
Yes, but out of pure principle, I just like.
I appreciate that. You're fucking broke.
See, he's good. He likes to pay for his own shit. You don't ask no man for nobody.
You know what? It's very appreciated, but I will get you back.
Are
Yeah.
you? You sure?
Yeah.
You'll get
So the first round, we were even for the beer that I got you earlier.
So
But now I owe you
I'm
one.
not going back to Marine for that. I'm just
You
you
guys got what you gotta do.
I stick with the Muslim brothers.
You stay with the Muslim bros.
Actually, I'm glad we have some like wholesome Muslim brothers with us. And, like,
Are you guys actually chasing away?
Yo, you brought the you brought the heat with us, son. Where we going? Where we going now?
okay, ¿por qué es tu culpa? Sorry, it's your fault. It's your fault because.
Vámonos para el hotel. Para el hotel a hacer fiesta. Todos cerrados.